Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja Shekhar. I'm a fashion designer and an illustrator. In this video, we are going to discuss how to make these AI generated videos of our own designs from scratch. This will be very useful for your portfolio, and you can also use them as your designs to show to clients for their better understanding. So yeah, let's start. So firstly, to make these videos we need to go through four important steps, so I will be explaining that now. Step 1 is creating our own print. Step 2 is sketching an outfit using that print. Step 3 is generating the realistic outfit image. Step 4 is turning that image into a realistic video. So let's start with step 1. So here I'm using Autodesk Sketchbook and I am making a floral print here. So you can see the color combination, I have kept something different. And if you want to learn like how to create print from scratch, then you should check out the video in the description box, because I have already done a detailed video on this, so it will be very helpful for you. So after step 1, let's go to step 2, which is creating the outfit using the same print. So I want to create a half sari type of a dress using that print. I want to give that print on the lehenga and on the sleeves, and I want to add a plain dupatta, and I want to keep the blouse a bit heavy with some embroidery on it. So you can see I have started drawing the outline, and after outline I have added the print, and you can see I'm adjusting the print according to the size of the outfit. So if you want to know like how am I doing this, I have already done a separate video on this. I will drop those links in the description box. Please do check it. You will definitely find it useful. I have explained every single step in that video. And you can see I have erased all the extra part of the print, and now I'm adding the print in the smaller size on the sleeve. And firstly I thought of adding the print on the whole blouse, but then I dropped that idea and kept the sleeve printed. And now I'm selecting the same colors from the print, and I'm trying to add those colors on dupatta and the blouse. You can see like the colors are spreading all over because few lines have not been joined properly. So this one thing I say in every single video is that whenever you're trying to fill the color, make sure all the lines are joined properly so that the color gets filled in the exact selected area. So if there is one small misjoint, then the whole canvas will be filled with that color. So please make sure you don't keep any unjoined line there. So now you can see I've started adding the shadows and the folds on the outfits. This step is so satisfying for me. I mean, the whole outfit gets its soul. The folds and the shadows on the outfit makes it look more 3D and more realistic. And now you can see I've added embroidery, like I'm adding the embroidery. And if you want to know the brush and all, you should definitely check out the embroidery video which I made, where I have explained all the brush types which I use for embroidery so that it looks as real as possible. And now I'm adding the embroidery on the dupatta as well. You can see like when I adjust the layers, the work looks different. Okay, see, I have sent the layer to upwards on the shadows layer. Now you can see the embroidery better, the dupatta embroidery. So just make sure the layers that you're working. So now I'm adding the jewelry just to complete the look. And yeah, I'm almost done. Just a final touch of a bindi. Okay, so this is the outfit that I have drawn. Let's go to step number 3, which is converting the sketch into a realistic image. So for that, I'm going to chat GPT, and I will be telling all the details about the design. Like, I'll just ask, turn this sketch into a realistic outfit, keep the model features same as it is, keep the design same as the sketch, and whatever the mood of the photograph you want, you can tell that. I said, like, I want something editorial backdrop with the colors matching the outfit. I have got the result, but I'm not happy with the fabric and all, so I'm giving like more details of the fabric and all, so that I wanted some shiny fabric. Yeah, now the outfit looks good. So this is the outfit that we have created. Let's go to step 4. So for this, we need to go to this website called New Black AI. I will share the link in the description box. This is a paid platform. You'll have to buy some credits. I will share the updated credit price of those credits in the description as well. So there you need to select image to video option, and you have to just, the pre-text is already available. You just need to select the duration of the video, 10 seconds or 5 seconds. I want 5 seconds, and just need to click on turn into video. So as soon as you click on turn into video, it will take a few minutes to turn this image into a video. So you'll have to buy a few credits for this, but trust me, it will be worth it. I'm not sure it is that costly. I mean, it's very subjective. The price is very subjective. It might be high for someone, or it might be low for someone. But if you are really trying to build your portfolio with some amazing designs, and you want to stay updated with the trends of AI and all, then I would suggest you to definitely go for it. Spend some money and get those credits, and make as great designs as possible in your portfolio. I would suggest quality over quantity, because it's not about having too much of designs in your portfolio. I would always suggest to keep 4 to 5 designs of the best quality, best detailings. Like, you need to have that detailings in your designs, which will definitely impress the brand, or the person who is hiring you. So please make sure to have a strong portfolio. So yeah, I think the video is almost ready. Let's just open this. Okay, here we go. Let me play this video for you. You can see how beautifully the outfit is looking. I mean, the video looks so real, and I mean, like, just imagine showing this to the recruiter and explaining your design, like how cool it would look. I hope this video was informative for you guys, and if you have any doubts, then please do text me on my Instagram. I would love to help you, and please do share your work as well with me. It will make me so happy. And for more such fashion design content, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.